Here we are at Dogs Beach, Ocean Beach, San Diego. Get you a little perspective. Usually the waves are really good right off the jetty, a really nice right-hander. But today it's pretty weak. Really small swell. But it might be really big to some of the people on the East Coast. I don't think they get too big of waves over there. Woo! Little bit. I think she sees her cousin over there, who's a chocolate lab. Come on, Sade. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. I'm gonna let her off the leash here in a minute. She just, let's see if she... Oh, I scared her. She's just a sweet little girl, huh? Come on. She likes big dogs. Watch, I'll let her off the leash. She'll mess with all the big dogs. It's pretty classic. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. Let's go. Little puppy. Big dog. This is the more cool, mellow side of Dogs Beach. Ooh, there's a little wave coming in. Not much form though. She just wants to smell everything. Come here. Let's take you off the leash. Come on, Sadie, let's go. Come here. Let's go. Let's go. She's really friendly. Gotta say hi to everyone. Let's see where the real action comes in. Hopefully I don't bring her back as a soggy doggy. She may go swimming though, you never know. She goes, making new friends. Trying to, huh, Sadie? Well, that little guy looks cold. You look cold. Sadie. Come on, Sadie. That's yucky. You got this huge white sandy beach here at Dogs Beach. There's SeaWorld over there. Come on. No, that's not Ribby. Come on. Sadie. Hey, puppy. Come on, Sid. Now, the first time I brought her here, she jumped in. Oh, there's little Flex again. He was flexing on her. Now he came to say hi. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Oh, she's getting into running now. She's leaving me in the dust. And there's a part of Mission Bay right there. We do a lot of fun little barbecues and fishing trips at night over here. Ooh, it looks like Sadie found a big old friend. I told you she'd love to play with the big ones. Here she goes. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run. Let's run around a little. You running? Oh yeah, she's running around now. Oh. Come on, Sadie. And this is just a little side of Dog's Beach for you. Hey, look at all those soggy doggies. Come on, Sade. Sadie puppy. Sadie's still a puppy. She's only 3 years old. Not even quite 3. September. Ooh. She's going for treats or something. Come on.
Curious when I'll pick it up.
This is where you went swimming last time. Are you going to jump in the water? Sadie going to go in the water? Anyhow, now we're... Oh, big doggy. Sadie, come here, girl. You got sand all over your face. Here's a really cool photo or spot in the video where you can see all the way down the Ocean Beach jetty. And if you look directly across the inlet, that is Mission Beach Jetty. There's a lot of really good fishing right in here. A lot of halibut right in here. Let's see if she's gonna go swimming. You gonna go in the water? Yeah, there's the water. You remember you jumped in. Well, I hope you liked it. OB Dog's Beach, San Diego, California. Come on. Gosh, you can't even see the jet that's flying over because it's so overcast. But check it out. Really pretty here.